Eating healthy is way too expensive. Like, man, I like eating healthy, but it's expensive, man. That's because you don't know how to eat. Here's a big bag of rice. How much did I pay for this? I don't know. A few bucks, if that. Servings per container, about 50. Now for me, it's probably more like 20. See these pinto beans? You know what I paid for that? 99 cents. Here's like a big plate of pinto beans right there. That's a plate. Boil these for about 45, 50 minutes. Yeah, about 50 minutes. Boil some rice. Big, huge amount of rice. And pinto beans, you're talking pennies. Dietary fiber, 9 grams, guys. Servings per container, 13. That ain't a bad number, is it? 13. Now, like I said, I probably eat 2 servings. I don't know. I don't weigh food. 9 grams of fiber. Do you know how much better you're going to feel? People doing colon cleansing. Eat this and this every night for your dinner. I mean, heck, you know, you had broccoli and things like that. Hey, broccoli, I eat raw broccoli. That's not expensive either. That's the type of stuff you're supposed to be eating.